Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. In the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. Once again, apologies. Today morning also I could not do pre-market report for some one or the other reason. But markets, it behaved as expected. Nifty consolidated, but for some time it was trading with a negative. But I would say the bulls must be disappointed as Nifty closed below 26,000. Although today the December series is over, for the calendar year 2025, one more trading session is left for tomorrow. So if everything goes well, so Nifty is likely to close above 26,000. And let us look at some important things what happened today. Number one, markets were too volatile. And I've been warning this for the last many days. Expiry day can be very, very volatile, mainly because of this HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank rejig in the Bank Nifty. And see, the Bank Nifty today it fell, and from the intraday low it shot up nearly 500 points. A 500-point rally is a fantastic rally, and especially in the last 1 hour, Bank Nifty has shot up 300 points. So that is something very significant today. The second thing, though markets were down for most part of the day, and then in the second half, it was shuttling between positive and negative too many times. The volatility index did not go up, it fell. And afternoon, European markets opened firmly in green. US futures are, wavering around the flat line. And, the large caps, same thing, Infosys, TCS, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance all fell. But don't know what happened. There was a significant short covering in TCS in the second half of the trading session. So I used to watch these 5 stocks, big stocks, but TCS was in green. Now, coming back to the main question, what is going to happen tomorrow? In the past, I think many times I have mentioned, if the markets fall continuously and closing somewhere at the lowest point on the day of expiry, usually the following day there will be a decent rally. If you look at the last 3 months, September month, Nifty had a red candle for 8 continuous trading sessions and closed somewhere at the lowest point on the expiry day. But the first trading session in October, Nifty rallied. October, there was a significant rally of nearly 6%. So nothing happened towards the end of the expiry. But again, come to November, the last 3 days, there was a significant fall. And then closed at the lowest end of the series. Then again, the first trading session in December, Nifty shot up significantly and wiped out the 3 days of losses in a single day. Same thing in September also. Nifty fell for 8 days, but last 3 days of fall, it was taken out on the very first trading session in October. And now, as of today, the Nifty is down for 5 straight days. Although today, it's going to be difficult to say because the last half an hour market shot up. The actual closing was very well in the green, but the weighted average closing indicating Nifty closing lower than yesterday. So overall, now it is a 5 straight red candle, and tomorrow the first trading session in Jan series. So we can expect some kind of a decent recovery if this pattern has to be followed. Whether the pattern will be followed or not, we do not know, because tomorrow, the end of the calendar year, most global markets are closed. FIIs will be usually not active. They will come back in the first week of January only. But in these circumstances, whether the market can take out a decent rally to wipe out last 3 days of losses at least, if not 5 days. So that's $1 million question tomorrow. So that is very, very important thing to watch for tomorrow's trade. Otherwise, for the month of January, I think the hopes are very, very little. This market is not likely to go anywhere. So it will be keep going up, down, up, down. For the last 2.5 months, it has been like that. Like it falls for 3 days, then go up for 2 days. Again, fall for 3-4 days, go up. And the entire December series, it was 26,000 plus minus 300 points. So that's a fantastic month for the people who have sold 26,000 short straddle every week. There were 5 weeks. Another important thing, from tomorrow, the lot size changes for Nifty as well as for Bank Nifty. Nifty lot size change from 75 to 65. The Bank Nifty lot size changes from 35 to 30. And those who are holding, the long-term options, so they should have adjusted by this time. If you have not adjusted, there is no more time for you to adjust. So only the multiples of 65 you can trade from tomorrow. If you are holding in a portfolio where Nifty is not a multiple of 65, only the multiple of 65 you can trade. Whatever is there is an extra odd one, you have to just leave it until it expires. So in my case, either I kept my long-term options. I do trade in long-term options. I do have some call options in March series. I do have some call options in December series. So they are all like, portfolio hedging. So I converted them into a multiple of 65. So that's an important change from tomorrow. And one word of caution, lot size changes, it doesn't mean, the contract size still is very, very high. So be responsible trader. So do not over trade because the lot size has reduced. Even if you over trade, the market will throw you out. So the year 2025, and this is the year of large cap. So large cap has given good return, I think about 8-9%. Mid cap, not so bad, but small caps have given negative return. And, this is a healthy trend, I would say. Usually in a bull market, the large cap should go first, then only the mid cap should go up, then only the small cap should go up. But what has happened for the last few years is just the case of opposite. So that cannot sustain. So anyway, so the new year, new market, how it's going to perform. So what is our expectations? Then I will come out with a separate video. So we will stop here. And however, FIIs are not going to stop selling. So that you remember. So January also, I'm not expecting any big breakout or a big breakdown. Again, it's going to be a range bound move only. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.